I'm watching out my back window at the bird feeders for a certain woodpecker who captured my attention. He has been very elusive. I saw him once on the tree and then he disappeared. Will he come back? What kind is he? Is he a he? It's difficult to get pictures or video when it's cold and snowing and gray. I will persevere, though. Scientists think that downy woodpeckers can recognize whether another bird is female or male by the patch of red on the back of their head. If there's a patch, it's a male. If there's no patch of red on the back, it's female. Male downy woodpeckers are dominant over females, and they select the best feeding sites for themselves, and they defend it against the females. I think this is probably true because I have not seen any females feeding at these places. Woodpeckers may find their hidden prey by sound, like thumping a watermelon. I wonder if they get vertigo from hanging upside down. Most woodpeckers are born completely naked. They're not like the other birds that have soft feathers when they hatch. Here's Mrs. Downy again. Wonder if she's looking for her husband. Mrs. Cardinal, I saw your husband somewhere around here. He's watching out for you. Oh, where'd he go this time? No, he's around here someplace. Aha, found ya. Well, hello, Mrs. Flicker. What are you doing in the trees? You must not be hungry since ants are your main food. Digging in the dirt is your specialty. Oh, yeah, there's snow covering the dirt. I bet you're hungry. You probably should have migrated farther south to Arkansas. Flickers are drummers. They drum on objects to communicate and to defend their territories. There you are, Mrs. Downy. You won't have any problems finding some food in the tree, unlike the flicker.
Hey, Miss Flicker, you're still too high. You need to get down on the ground.
I found you!